In this session, we're just going to do a brief overview of what's new in the BRAVOZONE for fall of 2022. The first one I think is a game changer, specifically for those that do a lot of self-paced sessions, but of course you can do these in classroom sessions as well. And that's the new record feature. I'm going to click on a question here, and if I want to add a summary, preview, or even in a question, I can easily add an audio file. Any place you can insert audio, you can record. Simply click on audio, click on record. You'll see a screenshot of what maybe you want to narrate or record over. You can click on start and you can record up to 5 minutes of audio. We have a tutorial on this if you want to learn more, but very easy to use, and it uses your sound system. The next feature is the ability to take content from a session. I happen to have here 40 questions from a Spark session, and I want to quickly add this to the library. With the library open, I can go over here, click here to import all quiz content. It will simply confirm I want to do that, and down here, those questions have now been added to my library. Another feature is when the game is in play, you can easily display the QR code. This really comes in handy for live sessions, but you can also use it for webinars. If you click on the link down below, you're going to get an option of show QR code or join as participant. If you simply right-click on the show the QR code, you can copy the link and send it out in a webinar link or chat window. If you're in a live session, the QR code will go to full screen. Another feature that is now available is if you go into any question and you want to change the size of a question, specifically the font, just go to the first icon here to the left, and you'll see you have different options to enlarge it, to make it smaller. Make sure you select the text first. And just a reminder, when you go to a home page, when you first log in, you're going to have these quick links here, so you can still go up here to the top bar, or you can just choose the quick links to quickly go where you want to go. We have a lot of new things coming into BRAVOZONE. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.